people, how are you doing? How is your day going? Are you good? Are you fine? Are you crazy? Are you nice? Are you lit? Is everything going good on your? We all tired, but we gotta do it. So I'm still trying to get this down. But yeah, Aremamele. Let's hear it. Do you see yourself? I can never see you good in it. I don't even see how it works out. Gotta live this life and make it all up on me, so. I can't check it out, the keep it on. We gonna make a fire over this. Just that I'm not. We traveled. We had a long trip today. That's why I'm late. That's why I'm late today. So yeah. Are y'all good? Everybody good in the chat? Alright. This beat is good. I don't know. It's just maybe I'm too tired, but this beat is fire, bro. It's fire. Haven't I made a lot of money? I've been under haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I that might go right. Haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I? Haven't I impressed you haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I impressed you? Haven't I impressed you enough? Yeah. Haven't I? Haven't I? You got a baby on there. You gotta be alright and singing like that. Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I? Alright. I like that. Haven't I impressed enough? Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I been good to you? Haven't I been good to you a lot? Alright. Okay, let's try one more time. Haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good to you a lot? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Haven't I been good? Haven't I been good to you a lot? You didn't take it all the time. I didn't. Gotta be. Yeah. Haven't I impressed you enough? It's alright. Haven't I been good to you a lot? It's alright. Haven't I impressed you a lot? Alright. What is that? Good. Haven't I impressed you enough? Good in the land, alright. Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I Haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright, alright. Haven't I been good to your lot? Alright, alright. Yo, my voice is rusty. It's a rusty, man. Yeah, this voice is rusty. Got a rusty voice, man. Got a rusty voice. Got a rusty voice, man. Got a rusty voice. Aye. Got a rusty voice, man. Got a rusty voice. We're connecting a link. What? Okay. Hakitsebot o ka nna e tswa ke re like o ka nna tswa streaming se. Hello Catalan, how are you doing? My name is Yozus and I make music every day. I am a South African, if you might wonder, not Jamaican. And yeah, I'm trying to make this song. Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright, alright. Haven't I been good to your lot? Alright, alright. Haven't I impressed you a lot? Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Alright, one more time. Haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good to your lot? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Haven't I been good to your lot? Alright. Haven't I been good to your lot? Shout out Edith. What's going on? Are you good? Are you feeling good this Monday? Trying to make a good song within like a span of an hour now. So if you stick around, you might hear the whole result of the song and how it turns out. So let's see. Haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Been good to your lot. Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good and showed you all the good and showed you all the good that I got. Showed you all the good that I got. Alright. Been good to your lot. Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good that I got. Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good that I got. I mean, showed you all the good that I got. That I got. Showed you all the good that I got. Take me on that. Good that I got. Look at my life. Look at Haven't I been the best for ya? Haven't I been the best for ya? Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? 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 That sucks. That kind of sucks, but it's close. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? 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 Too late. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? 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 Woo. Yeah, do man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ooh. Okay. Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? Haven't I been? Ooh. All right, let's hear it. Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? Lukuta wa phone. Yo. Lukuta. Lukuta. Hi. Abato. Lukuta. Ooh, hey. Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? 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 Oh, shit, man. What the heck? Oh, man, that's nice. All right, look in time. Yeah, I'm taking.
Founela ke ta mo go ka mora
Huh?
second tse fela mo founela beke
Phone you off.
off do not disturb ne
Yeah.
do not disturb
Yeah, do not disturb. See my past life. See my past life. Yeah, hey, see my past life. See my past life flashing before my very eyes. Okay, I like that. See my past life flashing through my every. See my past life flashing through. See my past life flashing through my eyes. See what the? See my past life flash. See my past life flashing through my very eyes. Yeah. My past life flashing for my very. See my past life flashing for my very eyes. Flashing for my very eyes. I had to be a nation great. I had to be a nation. Very eyes. I had to be a Greek god. Just eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and it's not a. It's not a. It's not a. It's not a huge. Very eyes. I had to be a Greek. I had to be a Greek god. Very eyes. I had to be a great. I had to be a Greek god, and very eyes. I had to be a Greek god. It's not a. It's not a huge surprise. Very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, not to my surprise. Very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, not to my surprise. And if I could shave all the bad in my eyes, so be more like a musician, son of eyes, to the ill advised. To my surprise, and to my, I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, damn. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries. I've been around for centuries, and this. I've been around for centuries. I've been around for centuries, I've been around for centuries trying to get. Surprise! I had to be. Been around. Surprise! I've been around for centuries trying to take. My surprise! I had to be. I've been around for centuries. My surprise! I've been around for centuries, and this my. And that is my. And that is my. And that is my demise. That is my. Surprise! I had been around for centuries. My surprise! I've been around for centuries like the history lies. My surprise! I've been around for centuries and the history lies. I've been around for centuries and the history lies. And the history lies if I could type. Huh? Shout out Tyson. Tyson, oh yeah, man. What's up, bro? So this rise, maybe I'm gonna reason if it rise, if I could take reason if I could rise, whatever. First rise, and if I could take over, and if I could take over hip hop, I would. And if I could take. Then it lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Reads, I would make the lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. And realize I'm on a buy, but I seen the lies on the 5. And I'm buys and I ain't a line. I won't better. This is what we got. See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and they history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. And all my life, I don't make them cry. All my life, I've been around a century and centralized. I'm back, come on, another day at times. Demoralized. Everything seems so demoralized. Oh man. Oh man, this stream, I started this stream way too late. But yeah, Keep going.
See my past life flashing before my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and they history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry.
Vibe, I would make them cry. Like, that would make them cry. Like, why we got a dictator for? Like, why we got a dictator? Why we got
See my past life flashing before my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and they history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry.
Oh man, I will make them cry.
Take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Take over hip hop, I would make them cry.
And every line that I've been lying. Mother to cry, cause every line that I'll be spitting will be immortalized. Cause every time that I'll be spitting will be immortalized. Immortalized, like Mordecai, I would hate. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my. Like Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I. Immortalized, unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my. I would love to go to my job and I. Immortalized, unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I. Immortalized, I would love to go to my job and I. Spend hours just working on it. Just job and I would work on the beat just to make it all great. Job and I would work on a. My job and I work on a beat every day. Job and I work on a beat every day. Job and I work on a beat and they ain't try to get. Work on a beat every day and try to be in. Work on a beat every day and try to be in. Job and I work on a beat and work on a beat every day and try to be in. Job and I work on every beat. Work on a beat every day and try to be important. Job and I work on every beat and every day. We try to be important. Cause I'm in sign. So close. That is not. What am I doing? That's not the one that I have to delete. Job and I. Now let it go. Job and I. Love to go to my job anymore. Love to go to my job anymore. But I love to go to my job and I. Job and I. My job and I see myself go around the not a zoo, but I'm gonna be able to sit like a. Job and I go around the world, not a zoo, man. Job and I go around the world, not a zoo. Job and I go around the world, not a zoo. Job and I go around the world, not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this. Ooh. Job and I go around the world and not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this. Job and I go around the world and not a I ain't caged in this. And I ain't cause I ain't caged in this. If I could make. Alright, let's see what we got, man. Let's play what we have for the verse. Hey!
See my past life flashing before my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this.
Somebody like I hated this. Seems like I ain't. Cause I ain't caged in this.
Go around the world and not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this. And not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this.
You can see my love for the crowd, cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft, cause they don't hate it. Caged in this. You can see the love in my craft, cause there's no hate in this. Hated this. You can see the love in my craft, cause there's no hate in this. A born sinner like everybody. Woo! A born sinner. Cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft, cause I am hating this. A born sinner like everybody. Hating this. A born sinner like everybody. A born sinner like everybody. If I could take a born sinner like everybody. If I could say the mom and sinner like any tiny young anybody. Oh. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, man. All love, bro. All love, man. All love. I respect your work, bro. I respect your work, my brother. Inspiration for this, man. Oh man, I'm getting darker and darker. Yo, I need really good equipment for this. Oh man, I need really good equipment for this. But yeah, we keep going, bro. We keep going. Let's see what we have for this verse.
See my past life, lesson from my.
Oh, okay. Huh? Oh yeah, Tyson. Yeah, shout out, man. Shout out for real, bro. Is it? It looks like. Yeah, it's definitely that Tyson. Shout out, Tyson. Bro is the biggest subscriber that I've, like, not the biggest subscriber, like the biggest YouTuber that I've seen in South Africa that has over 20k subscribers, and he keeps on doing his thing. And I bumped into your channel while I was doing my thing. I was like, who is this guy who's making the same content as me? And then I realized that you have a bigger platform than I do. So I was like, oh man, shit, that's on me, because I thought you were taking something from me, and then I realized you were already doing that, and you blowed out before I even thought of doing that. So shout out to you, bro, and respect, bro, respect. I remember I commented on something. I was like, you took that, all right, and then I was like, but yeah, it's all in the past, bro. Let's go. What do we have? What do we have? By the way, I'm not using Fruity Loops to record this. I use Adobe.
See my past life, flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a.
Yeah, man. Sorry for that, bro. Cause I thought the reason I said that I was like, nah, stealing my shit. But then I realized, bro has been here for a long time. So I was like, man, it kind of looks like I am the one who's stealing your shit. So yeah, sorry about that, bro. But yeah, it's all good. It's all love, man. It's all love. Because I checked out your whole catalog and I was like, bro has been pushing this shit for a long time. And then when I realized that, I was like, oh, the algorithm Says you and me, we doing the same thing, and it's like, I promote this guy to that guy, and then promote that guy to that guy. It's YouTube, man. It's just YouTube. But I can see how you do yours, and I'm like, I'm inspired to do it like you, but I don't want to be like, I don't want to rip off everything like something that you have done before and try to do like the same thing that you do, bro. I'm just gonna do what I do, and by the time I can afford something similar to what you're doing, then yeah, I'll try and do that. But at this moment, I'm just gonna keep pushing the way that I push, bro. You know what I mean? Oh man, here comes the guy, Max. Max, who has no money but has the balls to call me a chimp. Wow. Yeah. You can't even send 2 rent to a chimp like me, bro. But you call me that. Why do you do that? Why do you put racist remarks on my chat? What have I done to you, bro? Like, Max, what have I done to you? Jesus, man. um, Keep pushing, bro. Keep pushing. We finna meet at the top. Nothing is bigger than God. Definitely, bro. Nothing is bigger than God, bro. So we gotta keep pushing. And who knows, man? Maybe one day, all this will come into fruition. Maybe we might meet up one day at the summers. Who knows, man? Who knows? We might meet up at the summers, bro. You might be nominated for the best hip hop. I might be nominated for the best hip hop. And hey, man, we might meet up there, bro. So shout out, bro. I have a couple of bars just left for me to finish this song. So let's finish it off. Let's do this. What do we have? What do we have? I've been cleaning it up. So let's.
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft, cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody.
I'm born sinner like everybody. I'm born sinner like everybody, young.
Born sinner like everybody.
Everybody could take me like, and everybody could take me like a small doll like Chucky. Like everybody, and everybody could take me like a small doll like Chucky. I'm on par with the mighty. I'm on par with the mighty. I'm on Saturday. Woo! Everybody, and everybody could take me on. Woo! That's like everybody, and everybody could take me like a small doll. And everybody could take me like a small doll like Chucky. Woo! I think I could do something. Like everybody, and everybody could take me like a small doll, Chucky. Like a small doll, Chucky. Small doll, small doll, Chucky. Everybody, and everybody could take me like a small doll, Chucky. And I'm mighty, and I'm mighty, and I'm mighty, and I am mighty. Fight me if you can, but I can. Sitting like everybody, and everybody could take me on like, and everybody could think I'm a small doll like Chucky. And everybody could think I'm a small doll like Chucky. Sitting like everybody, and everybody could take me like a small doll like, and everybody could take me like a small doll, Chucky. Let's try. Everybody and everybody could take me like a small doll, Chucky. Mighty. Mighty I could be. I'm bad. I like how I took it, but yeah. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse, man? Where's my mouse? There you go. Ugh. Have you ever been? Oh my God, Jesus Christ, bro! My mouse just disappeared. There it is. Okay, cool. My mouse disappeared, bro. Yo, I'm still tired from the gig of yesterday. Like, damn, bro. Ah, I need some rest. Yeah, but yesterday was lit. The Mother's Day gig was lit. Like really lit. Having a gig on Mother's Day, bro. Wow. Uh Game Master, what's up, my brother? How are you doing? If you're a lady, how are you doing, ma'am? My name is Yo Zeus. I make songs and I'm feeling good today. Not good as super, but I'm feeling good. And I'm still making a good song right now as we speak. And yeah, man. I live in Bones. I live in South Africa, my friend. I live in South Africa, the Free State, the middle part of South Africa. Everybody, you know, everybody, everybody could take me like a small dog, Jackie. Like everybody, and everybody could take me like a small dog, Cherokee. I mean, Maria would do it better. Everybody, and everybody could take me like a small dog, Cherokee. Nah, I don't like that. Everybody, and everybody would take me like a small dog, Cherokee. I mean, mighty. Oh my. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh man. Everybody and everybody could take me like a small dog child again. I mean Maria. Jackie, I mean Maria if I Mighty. Oh shit, what's going on with my throat, bro? Are you scared? I have no idea what that means, bro. I have no idea what skit means. I'm just a South African, bro. And I make music. That's why I went live right now. Oh my god. Let's see what we got while I deal with while I deal with this cough, bro.
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft, cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody, and everybody would take me like a small dog, Chucky. I mean, mighty.
Everybody would take it like a small dog, Chucky. I mean, mighty. Everybody take it like a small dog, Chucky. I mean, mighty.
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo, cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft, cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody, and everybody would take me like a small dog, Chucky. I mean, mighty. Mighty. I mean, mighty. I won't dog Chucky, I mean mighty. I won't lay down for a little challenge like this. Yeah, I mean mighty. I won't back down for a challenge like this. I mean mighty. I won't back down from a little, from a small challenge like this. Yeah, I mean mighty. I won't back down from a. Yeah, I mean mighty. I won't back down from a small challenge like, yeah, me and Maddie, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Okay, I got it. Yeah, me and Maddie, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Me and Maddie, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Being rappers. Been rapping since '08. Been
Challenge like this, been rapping since '08. Small challenge like this, been rapping since '08, and I still got it. And I still, challenge like this, been rapping since '08. And I'm still like this. I've been rapping since '08, and I still got it. And I still got it like this. Still challenge like this. I've been rapping since '08, and I still got it like this. Okay, and I still got it like challenge like this. Been rapping since '08, and I still got it like this. I'm on. Challenge like this. Been rapping since '08, and I still got it like this. I'm on another paper wave. Go and get it, say it. Go and get it. I'm on another paper. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm still working on it. Hopefully, I'm gonna finish the first verse, and then I'm gonna polish up the hook a little bit, and then we're gonna have like a full verse and a hook, and then I'm gonna give this song to my friend, and he's gonna like put in the second verse on it. So yeah, this another. I'm on. I'm on another wave. You can't come time and I'm on rhyme into center, man. And I'm on ride and I go right. Let's hear this shit out. Oh man.
Haven't I impressed you enough?
Alright.
Haven't I been good to you a lot?
Alright.
Haven't I impressed you a lot?
Alright.
Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for you? Haven't I been the best for you? Haven't I been the best for you? Haven't I been the best for you?
Let's go, baby. Let's go. How much time do I have? Alright, an hour. I have an hour to finish this song, man. It's gonna be a good one. I believe it's gonna be a good one. I just have to like focus and make it a good one. Alright, where were we? Where were we? Where were we? We were right here trying to get these lines down. Let's get back to that. Let's get back to making good music. Let's get back to making good music. Let's get back to making good music. I'm just an R&B hip hop cat, nigga. That's what I am, nigga. Nah, me, nigga. Nah, me, nigga. Ah, Mr. Morgan, how are you, my brother? Are you good? It's been a while. I haven't seen you in a while. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. I hope you're good on that side. How's the Western Cape treating you? Is the weather still good? Are you feeling good? I know my side has been cold. It's been cold on this side, man. It's been cold. How was your Monday? Was it good? Ah, good to hear. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. God is keeping you safe. God is keeping you safe, brother. I'm still working on that song right now, so yeah, man, it's been 30 days. We have passed 30 days at least right now. With God's grace, we have passed 30 days. I didn't think I would be like making this up until 30 days, but here I am today making this thing for 30 days straight and still going. So maybe there's a good thing in this. And I get to make, connections with you guys. I know a lot of people right now. Like I know you, Mr. Morgan. I feel like I know you because I've talked to you in this like live chat and stuff. So I feel like I know who you are. You told me about your friend who has a wine distillery or a farm, and then that person gave you like a truckload of like wine and stuff. So I know who you are, which is one thing that I like wanna like, you know, emphasize. This is a connection type of thing. Let's connect, let's make friends, let's build a community in this, you know. I don't want you guys to like buy followers. I don't want followers. I want people who connect with me and then I connect with them. Cause I might share my story and you might share your story and we connect with this whole thing, bro. So yeah. Guys, I'm almost there. I'm only left with 8 bars. I'm only left with 8 bars to finish this song. So let me.
Since '08 and I still got it like this.
I'm on another pace that can't walk with.
Since '08 and I still got it like this.
I'm on another pace that can't walk with. And recently I've been coming. This I'm on another pace that can walk on, and recently I've been called a goat, so I'm on. And recently I've been called a goat, so I'm on point. I got it like this, I'm on. And recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm on, bro. And recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm. This I'm on. Another pace that can walk. Got it like this, I'm on another pace that can walk on, and recently I've been called a goat like I'm. Like this, I'm on another pace that can walk on, and recently I've been called a. This I'm on another pace that can walk on, and recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point. Got it like this, I'm on. Oh man, my phone is flat. How did this happen? Where's my bag? Where's my bag, bro? Alright. To avoid having flu, guys, keep exercising. I know it's winter and y'all don't want to exercise for shit, but you gotta exercise, keep yourself healthy, drink a lot of water, and yeah, if you get flu, go to the doctor, bro. Don't be a tough guy. Tough guys do not go well with having flu. Don't have a flu and try to be a tough guy and be like, nah, I ain't gonna go to that. I ain't gonna do that, man. I'm a man. No, bruh. If you have a flu in winter, go and get yourself a shot, bro. Go get yourself a shot. You know what I mean? Go get a shot. Get that shit treated because it's winter. All of y'all gonna get sick. You know what I mean? So to prevent getting sick, go to the doctor, get yourself your shot, and be okay. We need y'all in 2026, man. 2026. We need all of you in that year. Okay? Okay. Jesus. Do you know how hard it is to tell somebody who's like hot headed or if it's go get yourself that shot because you don't look so good. And then your bro be like, nah man, I'm good, man. Next thing bro is coughing, bro. He's coughing, like really coughing. It's like, yo, I told you to get that shot. You didn't get that shot. Why didn't you get that shot? It's like, nah, man, I ain't getting that shot because, I don't want to look feminine. No, nigga, it's not about being feminine. It's about being healthy. Since when being healthy is a wrong thing? Just be healthy, get yourself that shot, bro. And live a long, healthy life, my brothers and sisters. You know what I mean? Jesus Christ. Y'all go get those shots. But yeah, I'm always skeptical first, bro. Like I don't want to lie, I'm skeptical. If you're gonna tell me this is a shot for whatever and whatever, I'm gonna ask questions, bro. I'm gonna go on a rampage with questions like, yo, who made this? How many ingredients are in this? What are you gonna use to insert it in my body? You know, is this tested? How many people use this? Am I the first subject for this medicine that you're using? Who approved this? Who tested this? Did the Americans have a hand on this? You know, I'm that type of guy, bro. I'm that type of guy. But yeah, man. It's winter now. On my side actually, it's winter. South Africa, we experiencing that winter side, you know. So if you find yourself having that go get yourself checked out, bro. And get whatever shot you need to get, bro. You ain't gotta be a man. You ain't gotta be a man if you're gonna die, bro. Let's hear what we got. I need like I think 2 or 3 lines and then we're finished.
See my past life flashing before my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody, yet everybody would take it like a Turkey, I mean mighty, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Been rapping since '08 and I still got it like this. I'm on another pace that can't walk on. And recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point.
I'm on point.
Cause I'm on point.
And I'm on point.
Called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point. Called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point.
And if I could take it back to, and if I could take that, nothing. And if I could take it
Called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point.
And if I could take it back to the 80s, I'm on it. And if I could take it back to the 80s, I'm on.
Haven't I impressed you enough?
Alright.
Haven't I been good to you a lot?
Alright.
Haven't I impressed you a lot?
Alright.
Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for you? Haven't I been the best for you?
Let's go one time. I think we got something. We got a hit here. It's just I gotta finish it.
On gun, and recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point. More focused, I'm on point.
And every line that I gotta deliver, and every line I deliver is
I'm more focused,
I'm on point. And every line that I deliver is and every line that I deliver is on point. And every line I deliver is on point. And every line I deliver is on it magic. It's still a me. Ooh. I'm on point. And every line I deliver is so amazing. I'm on point. And every line I deliver is so amazing. I'm taking packing this. I'm taking my more on point. And every line I deliver is so amazing. I'm packing my bags. I'm taking my craft and I'm on point. And every line. Okay, let me go. I'm on point. And every line I deliver is so amazing. I'm taking my bags and go to the States and I'm never raising the more on point. And every line I've been delivering is so amazing. I'm taking my bags and packing and I'm stink face, bro. Stink face, nigga. And every line I deliver is so amazing. I'm taking my bags and packing it. And every line you know what's good about having like this type of brain that I have? It's because I developed it with like rapping every day, gotta rap every day. And now when I think of a line, taking my bag and go to the States like I'm. Go to the States like I'm. Go to the States like we haven't. Go to the States like I. Go to the States like really haven't I. Go to the States like baby I. Go to the States like really haven't I. Go to the States like nigga haven't I. And still to the States like heaven I. My bags and go to the States like nigga heaven I. Bags and go to the States like nigga heaven I. Oh man, I love it. I love what I just did right there. Go to the States and ain't no many rappers that can do this shit, bro. I think we did, we got it. We got it. Everybody, I think we got it. We got something right here. We got something. It's incredible, man. Godspeed, bros. See. Godspeed, man. All right. I'm still on my. Ooh, I need to take that one also. Yeah, the tone. I don't like the tone. I don't like how it sounds.
And go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good to you a lot?
No.
Haven't I impressed you a lot?
No.
Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? Haven't I been?
Beautiful. I like that. It sounds good though. It sounds good. Now all I gotta do is just, put them all in one thing, in one bucket. Oh, there we go. Now we have the full verse. Can I show you guys the full verse? Let me show you guys the full verse. Let's go. So this is what it looks like. These are like multiple takes of what I did, and then what in the red, those in the red are the lead vocals for the hook, ne? And then these ones in the green, these ones are the verse, the first verse that I have on this, and then this is the beat. So let's just save that. All right, let's hear it. Let's show you guys.
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody and everybody would check me like a small dog turkey. I mean mighty, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Been rapping since '08 and I still got it like this. I'm on another pace that can't walk. And recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point. And every line I deliver is so amazing. I'm taking my bags and go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Alright. Haven't I been good to you a lot? Alright. Haven't I impressed you a lot? Alright. Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? 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 Oh man, crazy. So yeah, man, that's like my verse, and then I think I'm gonna give it the verse. I'm gonna give it to the other verse. I'm gonna give it to AV. I'm gonna give it to AV so he can finish it off. Or anybody who has like the spirit to like kick it with me, you know, amongst my boys. The one who has the spirit to kick it with me can kick it with me, you know. But yeah, let's try and make backups. I also believe in like you can't polish a turd, bro. So if something is not sounding good, I believe in repeating it over and over and over again until it sounds good, you know. So it's not like I don't hear it. I hear it and I'm like, I'm gonna fix that later. Go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I? Let's go. Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh. Go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good to your lot? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good that I've got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for ya? 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 Woo! This thing is coming on fire. Low key fire. Like slow key fire, bro. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's do this, man. Sometimes I be using these autotones and it doesn't sound right. But some days when you use that shit, it's like, oh my god, this is cool, man. What the heck is going on here? But yeah, it is low key fire. Haven't I? Okay, one more time, let's go. Haven't I? Let's go. Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Haven't I? Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Beautiful. I like that shit. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. This is... Go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good? Haven't I impressed you a lot?
One more time. Heaven on, heaven on, heaven, heaven on, heaven on. Okay. Heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, I love that. It sounds good. Heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on, heaven on. Ooh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna fix all that shit. I'm gonna fix all that shit. Right now we're just having like like I would say a good sort of song, skeleton of a song. Ooh, okay, one time.
Praise you enough. Haven't I been good to your lot? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for y'all? Been the best for y'all. Been the best for y'all. Been the best for y'all.
Haven't I been the best for ya? Haven't I been the best for ya? Haven't I been the best for ya? Haven't I been the best for ya?
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had.
Alright. I think I'm done with the
See my past
verse.
life flashing.
Guys, I think I'm done with the verse. And I'm done with the hook. The lead is sounding good. The verse, I'm done with it, but it's like a skeleton of a verse. So I think I'm gonna finish it off tomorrow. I know, guys. I know. I have to finish a song every day, a new song on every day of the stream. But today I started late. I started at 5. It's now half past. Let me see. It's 25 past 6, and yeah, man. What can I say about this? It's like yesterday we were at a gig, and today we're doing that. I'm doing this, so you know. I gotta excuse myself sometimes, because I can't be 100% every day. So tomorrow I'm gonna listen to it with like fresh new ears because, yeah, the sound from yesterday at the gig kind of like messed up my hearing a little bit, But yeah, no excuses, man. I'm not the type to make excuses. I'm here, I'm doing this, I'm making the song, and I've finished my verse, and I'm gonna put in the backups for the verse later on, and then I did the hook and the backups for the hook, and then tomorrow you might even hear the full song when it's like, mwah. But yeah, here's what we have for now.
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody, and everybody would take me like a small dog turkey. I mean mighty, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Been rapping since '08 and I still got it like this. I'm on another page that can't walk on, and recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point. And every line I deliver, you're so amazing. I'm taking my bags and go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good to you a lot? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all?
Oh my God. Oh man. Yeah, okay, I'm back. Yeah, man, that's incredible. Yeah. We got something here. Haven't I? Haven't I been the best for y'all?
Yo, yo.
Yeah, man.
How's it?
Good, 100, bro.
Blessed. Are you on live?
Yeah, I'm live. Still live, my G.
Hey, how the people doing, man? Shut up.
Shut the murderer!
All right.
Shut that verse, and then I'm done. Fire.
Oh, yeah, we're doing that now, though. Nakupa AzanianKaffir, man.
Alright, cool. Honestly.
All right, thank you. Shut up.
Each other.
Take over hip, take over hip hop. I will make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to.
Unlike Mordecai, I would love to be your Madonna.
See my past life flashing from my very eyes. I had to be a Greek god, and to my surprise, I've been around for centuries and the history lies. If I could take over hip hop, I would make them cry. Cause every line that I was spitting would be immortalized. Unlike Mordecai, I would love to go to my job and I go around the world and not a zoo cause I ain't caged in this. You can see the love in my craft cause there's no hate in this. I'm born sinner like everybody, and everybody would take me like a small dog turkey. I mean mighty, I won't back down from a small challenge like this. Been rapping since '08 and I still got it like this. I'm on another page that can't walk on, and recently I've been called a ghost, so I'm more focused, I'm on point. And every line I deliver, you're so amazing. I'm taking my bags and go to the stage like nigga, haven't I impressed you enough? Haven't I been good to you a lot? Haven't I impressed you a lot? Showed you all the good that I got. Ooh, haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all?
Haven't I been the best for you?
Ooh, haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best?
I love that part.
Ooh, haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all? Haven't I been the best for y'all?
Man. Anyway, I think for me, I'm done with this, man. I'm down with this. I'm done with this. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish it off, make it a good song, and then yeah, we'll see what we can do, bro. Cause yeah. It's your boy, Yo Zeus, man. It's been 1 hour. Oh my god, 1 hour? It's me, Infinity, your boy, Yo Zeus, making daily songs every day. I make music every day. So, yeah, man, I appreciate you coming through and seeing this. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I appreciate you. And if you like content like this, tomorrow I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna make a new song and you're gonna hear it live. So yeah, you get to see the process as I do the song live. So if you're interested in that, hit the like and subscribe button. And I appreciate you being here, man. We'll see you on day 32. Bye bye.
got